Number 32, James LeBron. There he is. Have you seen this guy?
Yeah. I think he's from Canada, actually.
Is that right? Well, this kid is unbelievable.
Hey, Joe,
The way he just...
have you seen this James LeBron?
Unbelievable. That kind of stamina and
He's
agility.
from
The
Canada.
season he's had thus far, I feel like I'm at the ballet, Mark. I think he's going places.
I don't know, Tom. We might be looking at the next future goat.
Hey, you never know.
Hey, you know, if he walks like a goat and he talks
He
like a
doesn't
goat,
look like a goat to me, Joe.
you know what I mean?
I think you're thinking of a duck, Mark.
Talking about ducks, man. Talking about ducks.
I got my farm animals confused.
Talking about ducks.
Look out, LeBron James. Here comes James LeBron from Canada. Are you happy now?
Tom, you're killing me.
You guys are insufferable. Do you know that?
Oh, man.
You owe me $5, Joe.